how we can instantly create thousands of folders using Microsoft Excel. Here is list of employee names that manager asked me to create one folder for each of this employee name. So how I can do this instantly using Microsoft Excel? What I will do, I will use here MD and I will write here name of the employee with underscore David Edison, then again MD and I will write employee name Edward Gardner and then I will press enter and you can see here we have list of all employee names with underscore and with MD. Now what we need to do, we need to simply copy this. Then we need to press window key and we need to open the notepad. In notepad I will simply paste this employee names and I will save this file as save as and I will save this file as bat format. I will save and then I will go to the folder where I have been saved this bat file and I will double click on this bat file and you will see within seconds you will have folders for all of the employee names. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.